guys, it's Will here, and we've finally come to the end of this. This is the model somewhat belt. Again, this is what it is. The arm that's, oh, there we go. The arm that is over the chest is not glued down because parts of it I'm going to actually paint separately. So yeah, this is the largest model I've ever worked on myself for painting purposes, next to the Forge World Karma Goth. If you guys have seen my Age of Sigmar Army video, this is so big, I'm holding a light with my camera in my hands, like a shotgun with flashlight sort of tack grip. She does have a paper down there. That's just because, you know, censoring for YouTube. Because pieces of her do glue together to cover parts. So she's basically, depending on how you build her, she is multi-parts and can be multiple hairstyles or clothing options. There's her head right there. If I can get that to focus, there we go. Along with a pillow that you can put onto a base or carpet for her. And on the side here we have her scarf that goes around her arms when that's glued together. All in all, they're a really nice model. I'm super excited for this thing to finally be in. It is allegedly 13 inches tall, but I highly doubt that. It might be taller, I'm not too sure. But yeah, so the lady who made this, she normally makes them in, you know, your average statue sized model prints. She has models that you can get that professional artists have made that she just prints for them and stuff like that. Or you can send her your own files, as long as you know, prepare them for her. She'll print them for you, just like I did on this. I sent her the file, it took all the pieces because I have a slicer myself, and I put them into a file, basically with a little picture of how they're supposed to go. And yeah, she put them together. Sorry about the clicking and clacking in the background. The cat is all over me. I'm all alone right now, so she super needs attention from me because she always needs attention from at least one person. So that's what she does. She is a adult adult printer. So there is that to keep aware of when you go to order these things or check her website. But yeah, let's look right into the details and I will tell you more about her actual service and we'll close off the video. So looking here, we have the body itself, then we have the tail and feet with the bangles. We have the scarf that goes around there, and we have the head with the hair. So the model on some parts, like the body, the tail and stuff, is all hollowed to save weight and, you know, material. Now this one isn't painted, but she does paint them normally if you offer it, so that can range for various prices. Definitely from the paint jobs that I've seen, she could definitely charge a lot more, but she is like the best value price I've seen. I personally asked for this model not to be painted or primed because I wanted to do it myself. So that's why it is in pieces and stuff, and also probably just easier to transport. She does also offer, if you check her YouTube page, which I'll have links down below, she does offer the ability to buy misprints that she makes. If you guys ever want to, like, you know, try paints out or a scheme or try painting a bust before you actually buy a full one, hit her up on her LinkedIn, will be in her YouTube page there, so you can actually order some and like tell her what you want. She'll price it, and she's fairly priced for what it is. I feel bad. I did try to order another group of them from her store because I wanted more to finish my Carlock that I got from her, which I'll show probably pictures around here if once I censor it. Like, you know, I want to make her give her a little witch hat in a lower part of her torso. This has been the my experience with Freyas Fantasies, the 3D printer. Everything is in resin, everything is high quality. She posts stuff on YouTube so you can watch the progress as it is being worked on, and you guys can see what she is doing. She is very open to communicating with you and understanding situations and all that stuff, and she's actually pretty funny to watch her do things and has a sense of humor and stuff. So, and is very skilled at slicing these things and programming, and I would probably love to watch a couple of videos of her showing us how she slices files, because I would love to learn how to do it better myself, because I'm just a novice. I have the free version of Lychee, which is a program I highly recommend for anyone who's getting into 3D printing, especially for resin. Lychee is the best for free, and it does offer a premium service which has way more stuff that I'm actually willing to look into and actually potentially buy someday, because I want to start printing. And talking about printing, in the back there, that is my latest one that I printed myself. So that versus this, you can see I was not going to be able to print this on my printer, so I'm very happy she was willing to take it and print it for me. But yeah, so with that, guys, I'm going to go edit the shit out of this, try to censor the fuck out of it, and we will see you guys once this is built or in the next video. So again, if you guys want her services, if you have models or large items, including plastic-based or resin-based models like terrain, and she's even done shoulder pads and all that stuff, or statues that you might be too embarrassed to print yourself or can't physically print yourself due to size, please check her out. She's amazing and I love it. The only issues I've had with this, again, because mine was unpainted, is it wasn't, and so I can't say, but from everything I've seen of them being painted, they look fantastic, is I had to do the cleanup myself. Some parts I had to put into the sun to cure, just because they felt a little sticky and stuff like that, and I just wanted to be safer than sorry. But besides that, perfect, no issues, everything fits together. And again, this is a bit of a resin model, so me building it myself, I have experience in more. I am more of an advanced model builder. So using my skills on that will definitely help this fit and, you know, be smooth, and there won't be mold lines and stuff. But from what she does when she actually builds them and paints them herself, they're fantastic, professional level. Would paint her, I would paint her, but I would pay her to paint my stuff, or at least if she can't do it, she has professional painters on hand, which are just as talented or more so. And yeah, so yeah, if this is a service you'd like to know, check the links down below. She's fairly priced. If you want practice models to test blends on or busts on, or get accessories like hats and broomsticks and stuff, or, you know, whatever you need for your minis and your statues, hit her up. She is great. Or if not, watch her YouTube channels. It's always great to watch somebody do printing and stuff like that. But yeah, we will see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye. Click the video. Click it. Click the video. You know you want to.